Introduction: the promise of lazy AI money hook. Start with a relatable problem: the grind, a desire for more freedom, the dream of passive income. Introduce AI: how AI is changing the game and making lazy money. A real possibility, the laziest way to find. Emphasize minimal effort, automation, and leveraging AI tools. What this video will cover: a roadmap of simple, actionable strategies, even for absolute beginners. Call to action soft. Encourage viewers to stick around to learn the secrets. Understanding: the lazy mindset and AI basics, lazy versus smart. Differentiate between genuine laziness and smart automation. It's about working smarter, not harder. No coding required. Reassure viewers that this isn't about complex programming. What is AI simplified? Briefly explain AI in a non-technical way, for example, smart tools that can do tasks. For you, key AI tools mentioned briefly: ChatGPT or similar LLMs, AI image generators Midjourney DALL-E, AI video tools like Pictory AI itself. The starting from zero promise: no prior experience, no large investment needed. Strategy 1: AI-powered content creation text concept, generating articles, blog posts, social media content. eBooks with AI tool focus, ChatGPT or similar. Step-by-step high-level. Niche selection, how to find profitable. Competition niches, for example, pet care tips, beginner gardening, closing parenthesis. Idea generation, using AI to brainstorm endless content ideas. Outline creation, AI structuring your content. Drafting content, AI writing the bulk of the text. Human touch, emphasize the need for editing, fact-checking, and adding personal flair. Monetization avenues. Blogging AdSense, affiliate marketing, closing parenthesis, .freelancing, Fiverr. Upwork offering AI-assisted writing services, closing parenthesis, selling eBooks, guides. Lazy aspect: AI does the heavy lifting of writing. Strategy: to AI-assisted visual content and design. Concept: creating stunning visuals, logos, social media graphics, and even simple art with AI. Tool focus: Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva with AI features. Step-by-step, high-level. Prompt engineering basics: how to tell AI what you want. Generating images, examples of AI-generated art for different purposes. Applying to business, using AI images for social media, product mock-ups, website design, monetization avenues. Selling AI art prints. Closing parenthesis. Offering graphic design services using AI as an assistant. Creating social media content for businesses. Lazy aspect: no drawing skills needed, rapid creation. Strategy 3: AI for video and audio, like this video. Concept: leveraging AI to create videos, voiceovers, and podcasts with minimal effort. Tool focus: Pictory AI as an example. AI voice generators, 11 labs, AI music generators, step-by-step high-level Script to video: how Pictory AI can turn text into video. AI voiceovers: using AI voices for narration. Automated editing: AI assisting with cuts, transitions where applicable. Monetization avenues: YouTube channels AdSense, sponsorships, closing parenthesis. O. Creating video ads for local businesses. O. Podcast production. Lazy aspect. Automates complex video production. Steps, the automation layer, making a truly lazy concept. Combining AI tools with automation platforms to create truly passive income streams. Tool focus, Zapier, formerly Integromat, IFTTT. Examples of automation flows. O. New blog post idea, AI writes draft. AI publishes to WordPress. O. New product idea, AI generates images, AI creates social media posts. O. Customer query, AI chatbot, AI drafts response, human reviews. The power of integration, how different AI tools can talk to each other. Scaling up, how these lazy methods can be scaled for more income. Important considerations and avoiding pitfalls. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Emphasize human oversight, creativity, critical thinking, quality control, the importance of editing, fact-checking, and adding value. Ethical use, briefly touch on plagiarism, bias, and transparency. Staying updated, AI is evolving rapidly. Continuous learning is key. Patience and consistency. Lazy doesn't mean instant. It still requires effort to set up. Your first steps starting from zero. Actionable advice. O. Pick one. Strategy to start with. O. Choose one. AI tool to master. O. Set a small achievable goal, for example. Write 3 AI-assisted blog posts this week. O. Don't get overwhelmed. Encouragement. You can do this, even with no experience. Conclusion and call to action. Recap. Briefly summarize the power of AI for lazy income. Final encouragement. The future is now. Embrace AI. Strong call to action. Oh, like this video if you found it helpful. Oh, subscribe for more AI money-making tips. Oh, comment below. Which AI strategy will you try first? Or check out the links in the description for tools and resources.